Hello and welcome back to Expedition Builds. In this next video I want to introduce you to a new product we've been reviewing and carrying on our Jeep, and it's a little bit of an insurance policy for us, and I'll show you why. This is another great product from WolfBox. This is their 4,000 amp jump starter. It also comes with a lot of extra features that we absolutely love, as well as a lifetime warranty. So let's jump in and we'll get you guys acquainted with the WolfBox 4,000 amp jump starter. Let's get started. All right, let's see what's inside the box. And here's what's included: a 65-watt wall charger, USB-C to USB-C cable, owner's manual, heavy-duty battery clamps, and of course, the jump starter. And wrap it all up with this nicely designed storage case. Here you can see how easy it is to set up the jump starter to jump a dead battery. Simply plug the battery cables in here, and now you're ready to jump that dead battery. Here's another great feature of this jump starter that we absolutely love: the ability to use it as a power hub for our electronic accessories. Here you can see I'm using it to power my laptop for some quick edits out in the wild. We also use it to charge our cell phones, our drone batteries, whatever we need. In this chart, you can see how many times each device can be charged. The WolfBox really packs a punch. Now let's take a look at the 3 different light modes built into this unit. Okay, we've got a dead battery in this Fiat of ours, so this will be should be a good test to see what the 24-volt battery booster can do on a completely dead battery. Let's give it a try. Jumping a dead battery is very straightforward and simple. Simply attach the jumper cables to the battery terminals as shown: red to positive, black to negative. Next, we'll power up the jump starter. The battery on this particular vehicle was quite low, so I switched over to boost mode, and now we're ready to give it a try. With the jump starter hooked up to the dead battery and powered on, look for the green start light to come on. That's your signal. You're ready to start this vehicle. All right, we've got the battery booster hooked up to the battery. We did hit boost because this battery is pretty low. Let's see if we can get this car started. Here we go. There we go. Out of a bind, ready to roll. That's insurance. So here's our thoughts after spending some time with this WolfBox Mega 24 volt jump starter. We love the idea of having it along with us for just insurance purposes. In case there's an emergency with a dead battery, you know, somebody left an accessory on overnight at camp or something, you've got a way to jump that battery and get yourself out. Also, we love the convenience of being able to tap into this and using it as our hub to charge our electronics. You know, a lot of times when we're working late in the day, we might need to put a drone battery on here, top it off and get that last shot, or someone's doing work on a laptop for a quick edit or something. This is a great device for powering those accessories, those batteries, laptops, pads, whatever. So that's been great and it's worked really well. Also, you know, we feel like this thing is priced right. And it also comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can't go wrong there. We feel like this is just a real good insurance policy to have on your rig or in your wife's car or your kid's car, just to get them out of trouble should the need ever arise. So if you're interested in picking up one of these for your rig, your car, I'm going to leave you a code. Look for that in the description below. We hope you've enjoyed this review. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trail.